Okay, in the math section in last night's home week show, Ernie described how some foods made by Cookie Monster were the same and different. Can you think about what silly thing that Cookie Monster did when he made the foods? Okay, he made them all with cookies. Wasn't that so silly? All right, let's get curiosity out of the box. Say cat in a box. Sit so still. Will you come out? Yes, I will. Curiosity, why are you holding a sweater? It's the sweater that my grandmother made for me. Okay. So when I woke up this morning, it was chilly and I put on this sweater to keep me warm. In the fall, people sometimes wear sweaters to help them stay warm when it's colder out. I think curiosity just gave us a clue about what we're going to be learning about today. We're going to be talking about fall weather. I'm going to show you some pictures that have to do with fall. Okay, so let's look at a few of these. So actually, let me show you this little video first, and then we will do that.
My dad says when the pumpkins are ripe, it's really fall. Sometimes I like to lie in the hammock and watch the leaves. Fall is the season that I love because you can play in the leaves. In the autumn time, the animals are very busy. They feel the cold air. You know it's time to start getting ready for winter. They gather food, raccoons, squirrels, and chipmunks. All the babies from the bird's nest have grown up and flown away. They know it's going to get cold and snowy. The plants die, but their seeds are spread by the wind. They fall to the ground, and when spring comes again, they'll grow and grow. It's cold. The frost covers the ground. It snows and snows and snows. It's very beautiful and quiet. The animals are sleeping. Bears, raccoons, chipmunks, in caves, in trees, and even under the snow.
Okay, so let's look at some picture cards that kind of tell you about fall weather. So what's happening in this picture card? Do you see the girl is raking up a pile of leaves? That's something you would see in the fall. Here's a picture of a tree, and do you see the leaves are falling off? In some parts of the world, they call fall autumn. So the trees change to these pretty colors and they fall off, and then you get all these different colors of leaves that are so pretty. What might you use this for in the fall? To rake up some leaves? What else do you sometimes see in the fall? Pumpkins, that's right. So those are all some things that are signs of fall. Speaking of fall, our wonderful word for today is the word fall. Let's watch a video about fall.
Fall. Fall, which we also call autumn, is one of the 4 seasons of the year. Fall comes after summer, and in many parts of the world, it's a time when it gets cooler outside, and we do things like play football and gather pumpkins, and the leaves turn color and fall off the trees.
So fall is the season when the weather starts getting colder and the leaves fall off the trees. All right, we're going to do our message. Let me make this a little bigger. Okay, let me get my pencil. We're going to go I-N-N-T-H-E is the F-A-L-L. That word is fall. It's our wonderful word. T-H-E is the W-E-A-T-H-E-R is weather. And then we'll say G-E-T-S is gets, and then C-O-L-D-E-R. So our sentence says, in the fall, the weather gets colder. Let's see. And curiosity has our letter. Do you remember what our letter was? The letter Y. So Y says, yep. And there's a uppercase Y and a lowercase y. Let's put on our letter goggles and see if we can find a Y in our message. Let's see. So we're going to start right here and I'm going to look for Y's. I'm looking. Was the letter Y in our message today? No. That's so strange. Maybe you can find something at home that starts with the letter Y. Let's watch a video about the letter Y.
And now it's time for Worms in Space with a worm after all. 5 very brave, very smart, very stupid little worms. Today, we ask the question, can worms make the letter Y in space? Worms will now try to make the letter Y. Can they do it? We can only watch and wait. Not all. Missed. But it looks like, yes, they're going to try again. What courage, what strength, what wiggling. Yes. Oh, they did it. They made the capital letter Y. What's this, folks? Why, the worms are making a lowercase y too. The answer to our question is yes, worms can make the letter Y in space. Another spectacular triumph for a 5 very brave, very smart, very cute little worms.
Okay, so remember, we've been talking about how the weather changes in the fall, and fall is our wonderful word for today. So we get Paul points if we say the word fall today. That's the first part of our lesson.